Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a quick update video on what I'm going to be doing, where I've been, some new things, some new tech I might be getting. And yeah, sorry if there's any background noise, my window's open, and I just got back from holiday. That's what I was going to say in the thing, so yeah, awkward. First up, I'm going to be going to Eurogamer Expo, EGX, whatever you want to call it, with my good friend Cornflake Boy, as you can see here. There's going to be things like PlayStation, there's going to be things like PlayStation, Xbox, indie games, and things like that. I'm going on this Saturday. The tickets are about £13 at the moment. It's going to be at Tobacco Dock in London. So yeah, you should come on down. Second of all, I'm going to be doing a Minecraft series called Panda's World, and yeah, it's going to be every, I think, weekend. I'm going to be building a new thing in this world. Yeah. Next is Instagram and Twitter. I'm going to be starting the official Instagram and Twitter for the channel. So, for the example, the Twitter, Instagram, I will be putting on, like, when I'm about to upload a video, my setup, and things like that. And the Twitter, I don't know what I'm going to do on that, just announcements and stuff. And yeah, next thing is new tech. I'm going to be getting, or hopefully going to be getting, a Game Boy Color. I'm not sure. I don't think I'll be recording videos on it, but yeah. Second of all, I might be getting a Razer Deathstalker, I think it's called, the mechanical keyboard, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to be getting some new games and stuff like that. The next thing is, I know it's not on here, but I'm going to be doing some games like Counter-Strike Global Offensive. Also, I'm going to be doing a game called Tiny and Big, which is a fun, really fun, beautiful game that I absolutely adore. It's on sale at the moment, I think, for 69p, that's it. It's quite cheap. It's about $1 or something, I think. Oh god, just whacked my table. I'm gonna be getting that, and also I'll be continuing my Binding of Isaac series soon. I might be getting Windows 7, so I'll be using OBS, not EasyVid, because EasyVid is not good. I would not recommend it. Well, it's good for starting out, but I also have Bandicam, but I don't really want to use that. Because there's a massive thing up on the screen here saying Bandicam, yay! It's totally free and definitely the best thing. And yeah, I don't really know what else to say. Oh, I might be doing some Stranded Deep once I've got Windows 7. So CSGO, Binding of Isaac, Tiny and Big, Grandpa's Leftovers, and other games like, I don't know, maybe if it works on my computer, Gary's Mod, don't know what else. But anyway, I will see you guys later, and yeah, stay awesome.